What is happening? Look around. See, total disaster. Yesterday we had people. Now there's 2 people left. Can you believe that? Harsh.
Oda.
Come on, man. Look at it. It's a total disaster.
Anyway, don't talk about all this right now.
Okay, let's go back to time. Happy memories, right? The happy memories.
Speaking of happy memories, remember what's the Sean had?
Hot one.
The okay one, the cute one. Not the hot one. The
Sanya.
not Sanya. No, Sanya was with this guy. Rebecca.
Rebecca, which one?
In short hair.
Yeah.
Remember her? No.
Yeah.
What did she do? She was talking. We had the exact same conversation about what if the 2012, the end of the world stuff, and you know what she said.
She was so like, I don't know. She got emotional.
And she, but she's a
Okay. That was a very bad experience.
Yeah, but she was a good girl.
Yeah, she was
a good.
Anyway.
Yeah. She always did this thing when she was eating butterscotch ice cream.
Butterscotch ice cream. You still remember?
Yeah. I remember.
You went out with that, did you? I had it.
I did.
Are you sure?
I wouldn't cheat.
What do I cheat for?
It's not. No, I mean, do the. It's good that we can find humor even in this
disaster.
Yeah, I know.
Man, seriously.
Vivian was right. He said that you were wasting your energy that day.
That's actually didn't.
I know. I hate that guy. I hate his guts and all this stuff, but that guy was right.
When was he not? He said the resources we are using. He used to be the geeky nerd, I don't know, but still, he was right.
Remember the glasses and the braids?
Yeah, he was too funny now. Too funny. But yeah, he made a point. And yep. But the best part.
What?
He's not a likely art.
No. I don't know. He was right. That's it. How did he go actually?
He was like trying to get to school. He ended up dropping over a small kid. You know, like accident.
Shit.
Okay, this is happening and we are here. See, it's happening. What do we do?
I don't know. The 2 last people alive. Are we the 2 last people alive?
Hello? Anyone?
I don't know. The radio channels is messed up. Remember I Am Legend?
Yeah.
Will Smith. What? He found those 2 girls, that lady and that.
The girl found him. He didn't find anyone.
Oh yeah. What if we find something there? Maybe hopes.
Anyone alive?
We just know this area. That's all it's like this.
Okay, so let's face it now.
Facing it.
Face it, come on.
If
Why does this happen?
If it out here in the world, I find some girl and we just do it. And in the human population, I help it grow again.
You're not the Adam.
You're
You're not the Adam.
I'm not the Adam, but I can try to be right. Anyway, I
find the Eve from there.
No, I'm just saying, once the human population comes back, I'm going to advocate the living shit out of them to save the resources.
Resources, obviously. The way we used it, come on, it was a total disaster. Let's go down the time. Look at the people. They destroy the resources, come on. Using bikes for fun. Racing, racing is good. But racing out shit? No, it would be better if you use solar power. What happened to racing? Bad experience.
My sister
What happened?
went to racing fast travel. God.
Total badass, man.
I'm not supposed to make fun, but
Okay, chill out.
I hated him, dude. What? She was so small. I told her not to go.
Happens to the best of us, come on.
Now my family's gone.
What if we use solar power? What if we started saving?
It's because of me.
Okay.
It's because of me that Jessica went. Because of me, dude! It's because of me!
Dude, that's no.
Why did we save? Why did we save?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
We didn't save!
Sit down.
We didn't save!
Happens. So,
we hear this when we're small, say, remember our college also advocated solar powers,
yeah.
and we had this short film competition about that we never did. We went to this, what is that? Yuri's?
Yeah, gaming. Call of Duty.
God.
God.
I never actually played Call of Duty so far, but I just want to go back to it.
I wish I used solar power. I wish, we used the thing that God gave us. If He exists, does He? God, can you hear me now?
Does this look like existence?
No, He doesn't.
So why does He do this for? Okay, dude, we're humans.
Why us?
We're just humans. We're not supposed to be like God. We don't understand. Okay, solar power, we're teenagers, but we're not supposed to understand. We're supposed to be rebellious, but we don't deserve this. We don't deserve our family to go away just because of our arrogance. We don't deserve them. We want to be rebellious, but I can't.
Okay, stop it, please.
You brought it up, dude. I was sitting and happily. I was just like.
I just wish if we, saved the resources we had, with the chances we had to survive more. I won't say we would have survived forever, but survive more. Using solar power, we left the electricity run it was like free. We are using it like letting leaves around. Using the fuse. How many things did we use? The cars.
That was
We could have actually ended up using solar power.
Top Gear, I guess season 20 or something, they were saying they wanted to make a solar powered car, but none of the manufacturers actually wanted to produce it because they thought it was going to be stupid.
You are raised with solar power cars, right?
They thought it was stupid, it's not going to work out.
It's so out of fashion, scientific.
Yeah, they're like you can't raise, exactly, they think you can't race with it.
Okay, the speed won't be up to the mark, but still.
It's just racing.
What speed matters now?
Exactly! What does racing matter when this is happening?
So, all you can do is wait till we die.
Sometimes I think about this. I know this is not sound crazy, but I just think about doing this video sometimes. And I can't.
Chill out. That's fine. Something to eat now. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Let's go.
Let's cook with solar power.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Mankind, I gave you everything. The resources you need, the happiness, and the brains. Most important, I made you the most dominant species on Earth. How could you do this? You've depleted everything that I gave you. The resources I gave you, they were all open to every one of you. But nothing at all. It's all chaos out here. For what you shall sow, you reap. For those who all are wondering who I am the Almighty.